What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new day with a brand new content. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel so that you'll be notified about my upcoming videos. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to be discussing about this pretty good affiliate network, which is 3SNet affiliate network, and it's one of a pretty good affiliate network. They accept application pretty quick. So if you want to start working as a publisher and you apply for offer, you want to start working as a publisher, they approve people pretty quick, and they have lots of offers with high commission rates, and you can earn 5% from each referral that you make on this 3SN affiliate network. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can create, set up, and start working as a publisher in order to start making money on this 3SN affiliate network. So do follow me on this video and do like and subscribe to my channel. That is if you find out this video really interesting. So let's get it done. So this is a 3SNet affiliate network. So if you are looking to start working as a publisher, in order to start promoting offers on this 3SNet affiliate network, the first thing you need to do is to sign up. You put in your email, your password, your first name, your last name, you put the details there. So you put your Skype address. So once you are done, you go to registration and wait for approval. So after you have been approved, then you can go to your dashboard and apply for offers. So there are a lot of offers that are available for person to promote in this country. So let me log in to my dashboard to show you guys how 3SNet affiliate network works. So here we are. This is my dashboard. I'm going to show you guys how the 3SNet affiliate network is, their offers. So once you have been approved, you go to your dashboard and click on offers. Here you go to all offers. So there are a lot of offers that you can promote and earn money on this 3SNet affiliate network, but you have to check to see which offer is available for you to promote in your country. So for you to easily find the offers that you can promote in your country, you go and click on country here, then you type in your country name. So once you type in your country name and you search for it, it will display the available offers that are available for you to promote in your own country. It will display the amount of offers that are available that you can promote in your own country. Then you search for the offers that are available for you to promote in your country. So it's loading. Here we are. So all these are the offers that are available for person to promote in his country. All these are the offers that you can promote in your country. So you can get the link to promote offers for some campaigns. While some campaign you have to request access by clicking on request access, and you tell them the traffic sources that you work with, your Facebook account, that is your Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account, WhatsApp, and you request for the offer, then you wait for approval. While some offers you just get the link for you to promote the offer by clicking the get link here. Like for this offer, log casino, you click on the link. So here they've already provided the tracking link, so you just go ahead and copy the tracking link and paste it on your Facebook account, Twitter account. So any person uh, that buys something from you, you earn some percentage from his earning. So all these are the offers. You get 40% from his earning, and it's valid for all country, and the category is gambling. So there are lots of offers available for you to promote. Some offers ranging from $20, some $14, and much more. So as you can see, it's pretty much okay working with this 3S9 affiliate network. So if you don't have account with them, you can go ahead and create one and wait for approval before you can start working with them as a publisher. So, and I hope you enjoy this video tutorial on how you can create setup and also earn money with this 3S9 affiliate network as a publisher. So do like and subscribe to my channel. That is if you find out this video really interesting, and also be notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.